Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here from Breakwind Comedy. Thanks for stopping by. Here we're visiting the big man, Travis, and his family's store. And here you can buy all kinds of clothes, different brand names like Pelly Pelly, Rockaware, all kinds of cool stuff. It's located here on Hartsel Road in St. Catharines. Stuff, everything you guys want. As far as games go, movies, DVDs, stuff like that. You can also buy and sell here. Hey Travis, how are you? Oh, pretty good, pretty good. Nice day today.
It is.
So you making lots of money? Always.
Try to.
Yeah, that's good.
It's happening.
Oh, pretty good. Well, you know, I went the other day. We had men's night out, so I said to the wife, "Well, you know, it's boys' night out tonight. I'll be home by midnight." And so no problem. So, you know, the beers started going. They started flowing really, and I got really blitzed at about 3 o'clock in the morning. I started to make my way home. And then as soon as I walked in the door, the cuckoo clock cuckooed 3 times. So I had to think real quick, because I didn't want the wife, you know, getting all upset. So I shrilled my voice, and I cuckooed 9 more times to make it 12 o'clock. And I thought, you know, that's pretty smart of me to think of something like that, don't you think? So, anyways, I thought I was home free, and I pulled the fast one. And the next morning, the wifey there, she says, "What time did you get home last night?" I says, "Oh, I got home at midnight." She goes, "Oh," she goes, "I think we need a new cuckoo clock." I says, "Why?" She goes, "Well," she says, "I heard it last night, cuckoo 3 times. Then I hear, oh shit. Then I hear another 2 cuckoos. Then I hear a giggle. Then I hear a few more cuckoos. And then I hear, oh shit." And then it flips over the cat and farted. So, you have pretty much everything here. Nintendos,
Everything.
PlayStation 3s, Genesis, PlayStations. Look at this, the Sega CDs, everything, eh?
All the classics.
And you also print all your hats and everything, shirts that they want. That's awesome. So, what's your, if you had to eat a colored crayon, what color would you eat?
I'd go pink.
Pink, you know, I've had 2 pinks so far. Do you believe in aliens?
There's something out there, yeah.
All right, well, thank you very much. We appreciate you. You have a great day. If you could have one movie prop out of any of the movies, what would it be?
Like maybe Thanos' gauntlet?
And why was that? Cool. Good. So you know that the reason why you don't want to change in front of Pokemon?
Oh, why is that?
Because he might peek at you.